Hi, I'm Ash. I'm a volunteer at Spark. We're a local charity serving families with ADHD for more than 20 years. At Spark, we believe that the best way to help the child with ADHD is to support the parent and the teacher, to help them understand, accept, and embrace this complicated condition we call attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Today, I'm happy to share that in conjunction with ADHD Awareness Month, Spark will be organizing our fundraising seminars on 22nd October and 12th November. During these events, we will explore non-pharmaceutical options for ADHD. These include critical lifestyle choices around diet and exercise. These are key to help our child thrive. So get your tickets now, and I look forward to seeing you.